Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up beginning balances in QuickBooks Online. First, you need to decide on your QuickBooks Online start date. This is the day you want to begin tracking your finances in the system. Next, gather your most recent balance sheet or trial balance from the day before your chosen start date. This document provides all the necessary figures for your initial setup. Finally, ensure all your accounts are properly categorized within QuickBooks Online before entering any data. For bank and credit card accounts, QuickBooks Online offers a straightforward entry method. When you set up a new bank account, you will be prompted to enter its opening balance. This balance should reflect the exact amount in the account on your QuickBooks Online start date. Similarly, for credit card accounts, input the outstanding balance as of that same date. This ensures your cash and liabilities are accurately represented from day one, providing a solid foundation for your financial records. For other balance sheet accounts like accounts receivable, accounts payable, fixed assets, or loans, you can use a journal entry. This method allows you to record multiple debits and credits simultaneously. For example, debit your accounts receivable and credit an equity account for the opening balance. It is crucial that your total debits exactly equal your total credits to maintain a balanced accounting equation. This step ensures all your non-cash assets and liabilities are correctly reflected. After entering all your asset and liability balances, the remaining amount needed to balance your books will typically go into an equity account, often called opening balance equity or retained earnings. This account acts as a temporary holding place. Finally, thoroughly review your QuickBooks Online balance sheet. Verify that total assets precisely equal the sum of total liabilities and total equity. This crucial check confirms your beginning balances are correctly established and your books are balanced.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.